mustache, family grown, beard and sideburns, genetics, Moo Moo by Walmart. Loves. I know y'all tired of me getting on this camera looking like what the fuck, looking like who did it, looking like nah, baby, that ain't it, looking like Goldilocks, looking like Goldie Knot, looking like a bowl of noodles, looking like your Aunt Dorothy, minus your cousin Cleo, minus Citrus. I know you tired. I know you tired of me getting on this camera thinking that you finna find a baddie, and then you click on the video and it's a no. A bitch who thought you thought that you look good, you thought that you was pretty, you thought that you was fine, bitch, you're ugly. Nah. Ain't nothing ugly about me but my hair. Y'all are always asking me who does my intros or my outros and my cartoons, and no, it's not me, so don't give me the credit. It's my girl Namaste Nikki, and I could be messing that name up, but y'all know that English is my fourth language, gibberish is my first, so me and names, pronunciations, not my thing. But anywho, make sure you go check her out on Instagram. If you need your website, a business card, your logo, a cartoon, you start your YouTube channel and you just need the whole shebang, get at her. She's mad dope and she's mad creative with the skill. Make sure you go follow her. I will leave her information down below. On a second note, my brother just dropped a new song called Innocent, so I will leave his information down below. It's Pablo Vale, Innocent, and go check him out because it's mad dope. That's the video. If I'm gonna do it, I might as well do it right. How all y'all YouTube? Hair is from Get the Fuck Out of Here. Lashes by Sugar Lash by Key, which is my best friend. Brows not tame, not done, not nothing. Mustache, family grown. Beard and sideburns, genetics. Moo by Walmart, you know the finest. $5, go get you a catch. Nose ring might be in, might be out, who knows, but it might be from the dollar store. Now that the intro is done, let's move forward to what we're here to do today. Today we are going to try to braid her up because, as y'all know, or if you don't, then what is you doing? You need to go look at the time when I paid to get some faux locks, fox locks, whole locks, not the locks that I wanted. And I came out looking like Shababwe. I came out not looking like the Nubian goddess that I thought that I was going to be, but instead looking like Bozo the Clown. Instead looking like the Muppets. Instead looking like a character from motherfucking Monsters, Inc. Like, whatever it was not the look that I was going for. I was not giving Queen God's flay looks. I was not giving melon looks. I'm not giving you no looks at the beach. I'm not like, oh damn girl, you fine looks. Like none of that. I'm like, oh, get your camera out. Look what she out here done to her head looks. That's the looks that I was going for. So I'm not going to pay no one to do my hair. I'm just a little skeptical because that was a no-go for me. So I'm going to try to braid my hair. I don't know if they're going to be knotless. I don't know if they're going to be box braids. I don't know if I'm going to finish the product, to be honest. We're just going to see. I feel like I have enough hair to grip, and I was going to blow dry her out, which I probably still will. I don't know yet. Ouch. You see, I got some length in there. Girl, you look like your grandma. Hey. So maybe I should blow her out. I don't know. I'm gonna see if I can catch her and see what we can make it do what it do. Now, it's not the front that I'm worried about, it's more of the back that I'm worried about because she is short. And even if I comb her out, I think that she is still a bit short. Oh, this hurt. Shit. So we'll see. We'll see how far we get. We'll see if we get finished. We'll see if there's be a look or a not look. If it's not a look, then hey, at least we can say that we tried. At least that we can say that I'm trying to get my life together. I'm not trying to be ugly for you guys. Even though that I know that y'all come here for a laugh. And y'all probably not worried about how I look on camera, but there are some critics out here who's probably like, I'm not gonna watch this bitch channel. This bitch ain't even got her hair done. What can she teach me? I can teach you how to have a personality. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. But we're gonna see, and then we probably gonna shave off some of these sideburns, you know, try to collect the dust, try to get her right. Then we might try to shave off some of these ingrown hairs up there, a little mustache, nose hairs right there, trim this up a little bit. I'll catch y'all later. We're gonna see how this finished product goes. I'm not gonna say this is no quick method because I do braid fast and I braid tight, but I've never braided my hair at this length before, so we're just gonna have to see how that razzle dazzle and shakes up. Hopefully it comes out good because I'm tired of looking like this. I'm not gonna be ugly for too much longer. Right now I'm just going through a phase. Yeah, I'm drinking a little of my juicy juice. Only the real pimps drink out of high seas. And a real cold Capri Sun. To start off, I take one of these after I part my hair, of course. I take just a small section and I begin to braid it. And I like to braid back because when I pull my hair back, I don't like to see the part. I'm just weird like that. So yeah, but with me having short hair, I'm still going to end up seeing the part, and it's whatever. I'm just going to braid this enough just so I can get my hair caught, because the more hair, I don't want them this skinny. The more hair that I try to use, the more it messes it up and just makes everything just so much harder. And then I go in with the mixture because I want them like a small, medium. I don't know what I want, to be honest. I'm just going to go with whatever I get. And about that much. And then I just take it and wrap it. I add this to the original braid so that it won't have this little, my short ends. Like some of them are still poking out. And I don't know how to really fix that. But that's why I did that. And so it can be caught better. It can look better when I pull it back rather than these ones on here where I didn't do that. And I just have all this gap in space, and I just don't like that look. I don't like that look at all. And then I just braid it down. Even though it don't look much like anything, like it's not the best. I know how to braid, but I only know how to braid on longer hair or hair that I can really grip. And then I am doing my own hair. So I would never braid no one hair whose hair is this short. I just wouldn't, because I'm not going to like how the braids come out. But at this point, anything would look better on me than the hairstyle that I have now. This not going to work. Baby, your girl is looking better already. I had got played out of my weekend. And because I got played, it really motivated me to just like really just focus more on me, not focus on no boy, not focus on no one else coming to try to spend time with me, not just worry about extra stuff. So that, me feeling played, me getting played like that, it really just motivated me to want to look better, do better, work out, eat healthier, gain more weight, get this booty fatter, and clear my skin up, drink more water, and get my hair done. Because I'm not gonna be played again. Nah, it's my time to do the playing. Okay, so I'm editing the video and I'm like, girl, you didn't even do a finished product. What have you been doing? Hey, don't judge me, but your girl be busy. I was not trying to get up on camera today. That's why I'm over here in my Rugrats looking like, ha, Lee. Don't think so. But I was like, you gotta give them a full product. You gotta show them what you have created. And here I am. I'm telling y'all what I've created. It took me 5 days to do my hair. And before you start with your mess, I was not using a turtle hand to braid my hair. Your girl's in school for her master's. I'm a full-time mom. So on Wednesdays and Thursdays, I did not do my hair at all. I did a little bit on Friday, and then that Saturday was my niece's birthday. So we ended up taking the kids to San Diego, to the zoo, and we stayed out there the rest of that weekend. When I got home on Monday or Sunday, I don't think I did any of my hair on Sunday. On Monday, I finished it. So that Monday, I ended up finishing my hair only because I went and got my nails done on Tuesday, and I needed to do my hair by then. And then yesterday, I dipped my hair because I didn't like for it to be straight, and I like it better with this. But it has been a few days, and you know, my edge is not as good as it was when I first did it. And then in the video, I think I said on this side I needed to redo, and then I was dipping the stuff yesterday, and the ones that I did not use my special technique end up slipping out. So how am I going to put these braids back in now that I got nails? I don't know. But this is what it ended up coming out like. I end up having to braid my own hair in the back. I don't know how the back looks. Don't really care how the back looks because who's going to be seeing my back? But all in all, I am very proud of what I have created. I look and I feel so much better now. I feel like I'm someone. And just wait, because your girl's about to start getting dressed, and I'm gonna start getting on this camera actually looking like something and not looking like what the hell. But am I gonna put on makeup? Probably still not. From now on, can I finish them? Can it be my turn? All right, so before he starts talking again, let me hear it been said. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you won't miss the next time that I post. And share with all your friends. Because your girl is about to hit 1K. Actually, I still got like 100 more people. Some people, but it's okay. But on the road to 1K. From now on, I will be uploading every Sunday, Monday, and Friday. So get ready, get set, and go.